Hi guys, in this video we will understand the bevel option for a polygonal object in detail. So to start with, let us first create one cube in the viewport. Next, let us increase the segments to suppose 4 in all these spinners. Then to access the bevel option, I need to first convert it to a polygonal object. So I will press the C key, or I can even choose this make editable tool. Now the bevel option can be used in all these three modes, that is points, edges and polygons mode. So suppose I select this points mode. Now you can see here all the points are displayed. Now suppose I select this corner point, and to access the bevel option, now I can right click on this selected point and I can choose this bevel option, or I can use this M and S keys on the keyboard to get this option. Now you can see the cursor is changed, and here all the bevel parameters are displayed in the attribute manager. Now I can just drag over here. You can see the beveling is done over here, and now I can modify it using the options over here. I will first keep both these options as it is, and I will just change the offset. You can see the change in the beveling in the viewport, and if I increase the subdivisions, you can see the bevel shape is changed. Now if I change the depth, you can see the depth of bevel is changed. If I go to minus value, the bevel shape is changed like this, and if I go to positive value, the bevel shape is changed like this. Now here I can even change the shape type. Suppose I select this user. Now I can design my own shape. I can change the profile like this. Next, if I select this radial option, I can again make some changes. I cannot change subdivisions too much, otherwise shape will not be proper. So like this I can make the changes. So this way, in the points mode, you can bevel the points using all these options in the attribute manager. Now let us undo this and let us select this edges mode. Next I will select 4 edges like this. Now I need to go to this tool button and I need to reset the values. Once I reset the values, I need to choose the apply button. Now default settings are applied for these edges. Now I can change the offset. I can increase the subdivisions so that smoothness will be there. I can even increase subdivisions more. I can change the depth. If I make it negative, you can see beveling is done inwards like this. So this way you can use beveling for edges mode. You can also change the options over here. If I go to this shaping button and if I choose this user option from this shape drop down list, now again I can change the beveling shape as per my requirement like this. And if I select this profile option, I can use any of the spline as a profile for this beveling. So for that I need to first create one spline, and then I need to select that spline using this option, and then that spline name will be displayed over here, and then I can use that spline as a profile for beveling. Now again let us undo this and now go to this polygons mode. Now suppose I select some polygons like this. I select these 4 polygons. Now again I will recommend that you should reset the values and then I will choose apply, and again by going to this tool options button I can change the values to see the difference. You can zoom in. Now I have increased the offset. Now I am increasing the subdivisions. You can see the bevel shape is changing. If I go to the negative value, bevel shape is like this. It is going inwards. Now if I make it solid, you can see now the difference. Now if I make it radial and if I make it chamfer, again you can make the changes in all these parameters like this. Now here polygon extrusion button is there. Now if I increase this extrusion value, you can see the selected polygons are extruded, and here I can change the angle. You can see when I am making it 0 and when I increase it like this, I can change the extrusion. Now if I go to the shaping button and if I change to user, I can again make the changes in the beveling shape as per my requirement like this. And again here I can use spline as a profile for beveling. Also you can change the bevel shape by dragging in the viewport like this. Even you can change the extrusion like this. So mainly this bevel option is useful when you are creating a complex model and you need to have some specific shape for that model. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching.